All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Next project we have on us is the C7 non-convertible, so we get a little more room to play with in the back of the trunk area, unlike the convertibles that we've done in the past. We're running all Mille Pro mids and highs, as well as subwoofers. First, we got off the 6.5-inch Mille Pros coaxial. We got our three-way setup for the front doors and the dash. Then we got our 10-inch Mille Pro subs shallows, being powered by Audison Forza DSP amplifier, and then the SR mono. All right, so we're in the vet. It's got this nice red interior. We're gonna be integrating into the factory Bose system in this car, which allows us to keep the factory function of the radio, such as the hide screen and stuff like that. Normally we do aftermarket head units such as Kenwood. It just helps with the sound, but that AP4 module is gonna really help us integrate into the car's factory system. The Mille Pro three-ways are gonna be replacing the 8-inch woofer in the door. We're retaining the 2.5, 3-inch in the door as well, and then we're using the tweeters for the dash. We will also be replacing the center channel with the Mille Pro 3.5. All right, so here we have the trunk of the C7. We have a lot more room to work with, unlike the convertible vets. We're gonna feature the tins in a wedge box right here with an acrylic view window. We're gonna mount the amps on the back side of the box so you can see them from the front, feature our clean wire that we like to do. Those Mille Pro 6.5s are gonna go right here in the rear fill to give it a nice even sound. Let's get into it. All right, so we got the 3.5s out of the Corvette. This is the factory one. This is the aftermarket one. Obviously they have a little bit of a different mounting point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this as a template roughly to make a bracket to hold this. And I gotta make 3 of them, so let's get into it. All right, so I started with the factory OEM speaker, used our Mobile Solutions circle kit, and then I came out with this. We'll put the Hertz Mille Pro in there. I'll paint this, make it look nice and pretty. And we got the OEM fit. All right, so here we have the factory 10-inch mid driver woofer that's in the C7. Luckily enough, JL is kind enough to have a template for their W3 that actually fits almost 100% perfect. The lines on the holes and everything. So I'm going to use it. Let's get into it. got my plates in. I got my 6.5 mid driver woofer. I got my dash center channel in. I have the 3.5s for the doors put in. Behind here, I dynamitted each door with about 1.5 sheets of some sound mat just to help with the vibration and the sound quality. I'm also patched over the factory areas just to give it more rigidity from the sound. From here, I got to trim in the 6.5s from the 5.25 factory holes in the rear of the car. All right, so I just finished up putting all the aftermarket speakers into the C7. I got all the factory interior pieces put back in. From here, we're gonna move on to factory integration and building out the rear sub box. All right, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna power up the OEM screen to give you guys a visual of what the screen looks like before and after we add the CarPlay. So right now you have your OEM screens, your media. It's gonna say just pairing Bluetooth. When we're done, I'll be able to hit this back button right here and it'll turn the radio into CarPlay mode. All right, so we got the box built for the C7. I got all my gapping done for the vinyl and materials I'll be putting in. The acrylic will sit here and hold the subs, and then I got a ring here and then 2 outer rings. So this will be red, black suede, silver brushed aluminum to look like the interior pieces, and then black vinyl on the outsides and around. Over here, we have the amp rack for basically what would be called the waterfall in the C7s. It'll house our DSP and our monoblock floating amp racks with acrylic, some lighting effect to give it a little wow factor. From here, I just gotta do a little bit of magnet work left, paint everything black that's not gonna get wrapped, and hook up the amps.
The audio system in this C7 Corvette is 100% finished, and I think it came out phenomenal. Let me show you. So as you saw in the last video, we upgraded all of the factory speakers with aftermarket Hertz Mille speakers. We replaced the front doors, the rears, the center channels, the tweeters, and all of the other speakers in the car. And then we got to work on the sub box and the amps. So when we built the sub box, we were focusing on building a really nice showpiece, but also being able to use the trunk space. So we built the sub box in the back of the trunk, right behind the seats, and then we built the amp rack between the seats, again, to be that showpiece. As soon as you look at the car, you see those beautiful amps right in the center. And now the entire audio setup is powered off of those amplifiers and that DSP, and it's tuned really well. You got the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto up front in the head unit, factory integrated. I think the team did a great job building this audio system, and I know the customer is happy with it. He's gonna be driving this thing, bumping tunes everywhere around town. And if you like this sort of thing, we have a ton of cool projects already on the channel, recorded and uploaded just like this. So check them out and subscribe to the channel because there's more where this came from. See you guys next week.